In a recent video, I showed you how to use feeds, follow feeds from this list here. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch it here. You also find all the links mentioned in this video in the description below. Okay, but what if instead of choosing one of these feeds here, you want to create your own feed? That's what we are doing today. Okay, we need the service here, SkyFeed. Again, you find all the links in the description below. And here it's asking for the service we are using. Remember, Bluesky is decentralized social media. In the future, there might be other social media sites compatible with Bluesky. For now, the only one we have is this one here. Then your username, in my case, it's my domain name. And again, there's a video here to show you how to use your domain name as your username on Bluesky. Check the description below. And we need a password. This is not your Bluesky password. This is a special password. So let's go back to Bluesky here and go to Settings. Then we can go to Privacy and Security and App Passwords. Click here and create a password for that service, for the SkyFeed service. This is where you can create and delete special passwords. You can use any name here. Let's call it SkyFeed because it's much SkyFeed because it's much easier to remember. In this case, there's no need to access my direct messages. So let's click here, next. And this is our password. I'm going to copy this password. Done. And as you can see, I have here the password set, a new password set, and I can delete this anytime I want. Let's go back to SkyFeed. If I delete that, SkyFeed will lose access to the information in my account. And continue. Okay, there's a lot here, and I'll cover it in a future video. For now, all we want to do is create a feed, okay? So to do that, we have to click here, Feed Builder, and we have to start adding parameters to that feed. So create your first feed. From here, we can use building blocks to build our feed. This is the feed name. We'll change it soon. And here are some examples. We have here 4 blocks that you can reuse. You can change the parameters here and reuse them. But to make it more clear to you, we're starting from scratch. I'm going to delete all of them, okay? Don't worry about this. This will be filled with the post as we build the blocks, okay? So the first block I want to add here is sorting. I want the post to be sorted by creation date and descending. You can change, for example, here to ascending, but as you know, I'm a timeline person. I love chronology, so this is what we are doing today. Then I'm gonna choose here an input from where I want that information to come from. Okay, it can be the entire network. That means all of Bluesky, but I can also select a single user. And here I have to introduce you to a new concept. Let's go to this other website here. Bluesky uses an ID for each user because it's a decentralized network. My username at vladcampos.com is just, I don't know, a skin over that ID. So if I type my username here at vladcampos.com and get my ID, this is what's actually me, this number here. So because I can change that username, I can move to switch to a different network in the future. Today we only have Bluesky, but in the future we may have different ones. So now I'm gonna add that ID here. So what I'm telling Bluesky is that I want all the posts from this person, but in chronological order. Now we're gonna add the last block here, which is this one here. We are going to tell the feed that we want posts with the word Obsidian. Okay, you can even make this case sensitive, but we don't want to do that, right? We want anytime I talk about Obsidian, it will be filtered here. I'm going to move this to this position here. Okay, just to respect the order from this user in descending order, and only posts with the word Obsidian. If you take a look at the top here, runs from the top to bottom. So it has a certain order here. So now we have all my posts about Obsidian, and this is the last one. So let's give this a name. I'm going to call it Vlad Campos Obsidian, and we'll publish this. From here, we can add an image. I have already created some images because I'm not doing this only for Obsidian. I'm doing this for all the topics I cover, okay? And here we can write something like, I don't know, Vlad Campos posts about Obsidian. And finally, publish. Now we can finally go to Bluesky and take a look at this feed and all the other feeds I have already created. So let's go to my profile, and here, feeds. All of the feeds are here. So if we click on this one here, this is the one we just created. And from here, you can do everything that I showed you on that other video. In fact, you can even do it from here, from the feeds. But as you saw here, SkyFeed, in SkyFeed, there's a lot of combinations that you can create. I haven't tried this, but I'm pretty confident that you can, for example, create a list. There's also remember, there's a video here on the channel about lists. You can create a list of people you like to read posts and use that list as an input here. Let's take a look here. So yeah, you can use that list as an input here, and you can add this other two blocks here, creation date and Obsidian, and then you would be reading only posts about Obsidian from that list. You know what? That's a good idea. I may create some lists like that. I'll try it. Anyway, if this was helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to help even more, please consider supporting my work on Patreon or YouTube. You can also buy me a coffee. Thanks for watching. See you soon.